Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be doing an experiment. So I've been seeing these girls do fake freckles with self tanner, so that's what I want to try. Hopefully I don't look like a crazy person, and hopefully I like it. Ah! Are you okay? You fell on your head. Whoopsies. So I'm just gonna, this is a self tanner I have. It's Glow Pro Tans, 14% DHA. So I'm just gonna squirt some in the lid. I don't know, that's probably enough. And then I have a angled eyeliner brush that's super tiny that I'm going to use to dot on the freckles. So a whole bunch is what I'm going for. Let's try it. Just gonna dab, 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 dab. Ah! I'm scared. I have a mirror. And can you see that? Oh! You can see it.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking.
Ooh, it's tickly. It's ticklish. Don't move too much, it will fall.
Sketchy, dude.
I know it, you know it, we make it.
Looking good, looking good, looking freckly. These ones are real.
I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life.
Hopefully this looks like freckles and doesn't just make my face like super tan in weird spots.
Crosswalking, lip locking, I know it, you know it.
Wouldn't it be easier to connect your camera and then wrap it around this thing like so?
Yeah, it tickles, it tickles, it tickles.
Freckles?
Oh my baby.
Ooh, that itchy thing tickles!
So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking.
I don't know if that's gonna look weird, but whatever, we'll try it. Going in for more. What do you think? What do you think? I don't know, I hope it looks good. Yeah! Can I have a dark one?
Lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
Just a few random ones. That's what I have, just random ones all over. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna let this dry. This, you have to let it sit for 8 hours at least, it says. So I'm gonna go to bed with it on. And then I'll see you in the morning and see if it looks good or if I look horrible and I ruin my life. I like it. I don't think it's gonna be this dark. But if it is, I'm fine with it. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Good morning. It's the next day. My hair looks crazy because I don't have any product in it. And this is what the freckles look like without being washed yet. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think they've already gotten lighter, and I also think they've gotten bigger, like they spread out some. Oh my word, is that my voice? Is that my voice? I have morning voice. So, I got a paper towel wet to wipe, and I also have makeup remover just in case if I need to use it. 3 things I think that will either happen. 1, I'll wipe it off and nothing will come off. 2, I'll wipe it off and all of it will come off. 3, I'll wipe it off, some will come off. So let's see what happens. Oh, a little bit is coming off. I'm going to use a little bit of the makeup remover just to see what happens. Oh yes, this is what she looks like. I think it turned out the perfect darkness. So this is what it turned out to look like. I think it worked really good. Would I do it again? Yes. I'd work on my dots a little bit more though. But I like it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, yes, yeah. I like my lip freckle. Okay, I'm gonna put my makeup on and then come back and show you what it looks like with my makeup and hair done. And hopefully I won't have morning voice or sick voice. Okay, bye. This is what it looks like with makeup on. I normally put glitter on, but I just want to show you what it looks like with no glitter. And this is what they look like with the glitter. I love it. They're so cute. I'm definitely gonna do it again. I like my lip. I like my lip one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe. I did that in the wrong order. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Boo, boo, boo. Lovely, lovely. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yeah.